Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at South Landing today on the Flamborough Headland. There's a lifeboat station there. I'm going to see, I'm not sure if it's possible. It's low tide was at 10. High tide's at 4:15, which is up against the cliffs, and you're well and truly stuffed if you're still on here then. But I've got 4 hours to walk, about an hour down to Danes Dyke. I'm not sure how rocky it gets, because I don't think I've walked on the beach on this section before. I've walked on the bit from Danes Dyke to Sowerby, but I'm a bit windy when it comes to walking on beaches. But actually I guess this bit here will fill quite quickly, but there's a fair way into it to the cliffs. But as I say, I am a bit windy, so I've done this before, and I get halfway and I head back. I was going to have some lunch there, but decided not to. It might be, you see, that this is just too rocky. Huh. I think you're okay, aren't you? As long as you check the tide times. As long as you allow yourself enough. Even if high tide's at 4:21, which will be up there, won't it? I suppose by 3:21 might be splashing up to here. Anyway, get round this corner and we'll see how far Danes Dyke is. So if you didn't watch the last video, it's 5th of November, it's bonfire night. It's about, well, on this beach, I reckon it's about 17 degrees. We had 24 hours of non-stop rain yesterday. And to stay off this green stuff, don't I? Well, that's Danes Dyke there, so I think we've got 3 hours before the water's actually where I am now, so I think we're okay. And then when I get a bit closer, I'll find a rock, sit down, have my lunch. But I'll get back to you soon. So I've made a little bit of progress, guys. You can see Danes Dyke now, so I want to start collecting that glass that people have buckets fulls of it, don't they? I never seem to see any. Let's pause a minute and look at these cliffs. They're so high here, either compared to the rockfall there, compared to Bempton. It's definitely coming in though, guys. You can see it, can't you? It is relentless, is the tide. Look at that. Came in 3 or 4 feet there while I was just standing here. It's a long way to go though, hasn't it? So I haven't forgotten live stream Wednesday today. So you might actually get a live stream of this before I publish this video. I might do the live stream from this beach, because I think it's pretty idyllic, and I can have my lunch and cool down. So I'll wait till I get a little bit closer to Danes Dyke. There's not much in the way of anything, to be honest. It's I haven't seen much plastic either, so is that good? I'm no geologist, but I know this is chalk, but this isn't chalk, is it? Let me know what the black rocks are on this beach, if you're a bit of a geologist. There. Did you hear that? So we think that might be bombs at the bombing range. As I say, let me know. It's not fireworks, because that was a long, long way away. if you're interested. That's the live stream there. I've been sat here 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and the tide, well, it's past me up there, and here it's making its relentless progress up the beach. I'm going to have this sandwich, a quick drink of coffee, and I'm going to get on. I haven't got far to go to safety. And I don't really mind it being on the beach. It's the tide comes in if there's a scramble, but there's not, unless you're about 16, there's not really a scramble up here, is there? This is fabulous here though. It's a little bit bizarre situation that I find myself in, because I'm making a live stream and I'm making a video. At the same time, so I don't want to do too much of the live stream and then miss out on the making of the video. This is all a bit odd. I'm back with you guys. I've had my lunch. Bit of a diversion there. I decided to do a live stream from the beach. I mean, seriously, why wouldn't you? It is absolutely stunning. I think the battery ran out as well on the GoPro back up there, so hope you didn't miss too much. You probably didn't miss much at all. It was just me eating cheese and coleslaw sandwiches. It is really, really warm. I'm not exaggerating. I bet it's almost 18 on this beach. A couple of oyster catchers there. I could see how you could get cut off here. This little bit sticking out. By gum, could you imagine if you got all the way here from South Landing and the tide was blocking you? Oh, can you see the? I'll do that with the phone. There's a World War II pillbox. It's just about to collapse into the cliff by the looks of it. So my advice to you, if you're going to walk from South Landing to Danes Dyke, set off at or just before, an hour before low tide, because having not done it before, it's become clear that this bottom end could well be a bit tricky. That's where I am, guys, nearly. It's just there, Dyke's End, and I'm parked there. So I'm going to wrap this video up in a little while and make another brief video. I'm not going to go miles in the woods, but I'm going to explore the woods a little. Might try and put the drone up as well, so if I do, I'll add it on to the end of this this video. Yeah, I could see you. Yeah, I think if I was going to do it, my advice would be, and to myself for next time, try and set off an hour or so before low tide. So we've been to both ends of Danes Dyke. We were at, is it called Catnab, on the Bempton Cliffs there, 2 miles away that way. We were there the other day. Was it yesterday? And we're at the southern end today. The only thing I am interested to know, I could understand the Bempton end would be easy to defend because there was a massive cliff, but how did you defend? It's a bit like that border wall I've seen pictures of between the USA and Mexico. I'm sure it's not as easy as just swimming round it, but really all you've got to do is swim round. This would have been the same, wouldn't it? All you'd have had to do is walk up from Bridlington. I guess they had some kind of guards on this bottom bit here, didn't they? Yep, there you go then, guys. The end of Danes Dyke. I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thanks very much for watching. If you did like it, do give it a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing to the channel. It is free. YouTube told me just yesterday that 90% of people who watch my channel don't subscribe. It would really help me. Even for a channel like mine, it's such a lot of effort for barely any reward. So just to see the channel grow and know that people are enjoying watching your videos is ample reward, really. So yeah. But until the next time, I'll look at the sandlings. Until the next time, I will say cheerio. Ciao.